Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Discord voice chat on mobile. Using Discord voice chat is simple and allows you to stay connected with friends or team members on the go. Here's how to do it. Open the Discord app on your device and go to the server where you want to use voice chat. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access voice channels on that server. Now, tap to choose your server. Navigate to the voice channel section within the server. Tap on a voice channel you want to join, for example, general or voice. A confirmation screen will appear, then tap on join voice. Once connected, you'll see a voice chat interface at the bottom of the screen with options like mute. Tap the microphone icon to mute yourself. To adjust other voice settings, tap on the name of the voice server, then tap on voice settings for more options like input mode. Tap on input mode. Here, you can choose voice activity or push to talk. Now, go back. Then, toggle the headphones icon to mute everyone else and prevent hearing others in the channel. Now, how about switch between channels or minimize? To move to another channel, simply tap the downward arrow in the top left. Then, in the voice channel list, choose a different one. Now tap on the mini voice channel. Then here, you can also minimize Discord and continue chatting in the background using the chat in the middle. And to disconnect, tap the red phone icon at the bottom of the screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.